Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create Coinbase account and invest your money for the share market and buy cryptocurrency using this platform. It's very simple to create account and invest your money in share market and buy cryptocurrency. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google browser. You can download the application like Coinbase, sign up, same what exactly I am doing here. Just simply first link is display here, buy and sell Bitcoin. So simply click here. So here this is a platform of that particular application. So what exactly in one Bitcoin price today, like $28,813.29 one Bitcoin. You can invest your money and buy one Bitcoin, some email address, and just jump start your crypto portfolio. Get start. I just simply add here my first name, last name, and choose your password here. Invest, next, yeah, acknowledge, yes. Password is mandatory to case sensitive. I receive one email address also for the verification. I verify using my email address. For the I receive one link. I just simply add my mobile number here, 333-365, in the code, and I receive one code here like 799. With citizenship I have in India. Verify your document. So now you need to submit your document related profile. So suppose for example, first of all you submit your date of birth. I can submit my date of birth here. What is your source to fund? Savings, employment, and your personal identification number. Which number you want to add, you can add your mobile number also here. Wait a couple of seconds for the continue. How much crypto do you want expect trade per year, like $1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, or 10,000 to $1 lakh. So simply select less than 10,000. Which industry you are working? So suppose I select education, and now verify your address, driving license. So simply I upload my driving license here. First of all, they verify your account, verifying. So after finish this particular process, then complete your profile of cubase.com, and after finish this process, your account is create, and using this directly on sign in, and you can log in the particular account and very easily buy some cryptocurrency using this platform. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.